If you're someone who's 8th grade freshman, sophomore, if you're interested in earning a credential through the Academy, the academies are a sequence of courses to help students earn a credential in high school, a certificate, tech diploma, or associate degree. We are really focused on creating pathways for students so that they can earn credits, bring that credential here, finish their associate degree, and then if they choose to do a bachelor's degree, they can then move to a 4-year school, and we have many transfer agreements for that. Pay attention to our website, especially the K-12 resources website, because there's going to be more academies available to all the students as we continue to grow them. We have 7 academies that will be available for the 24-25 school year, and we're planning on adding additional ones every year. We have a lot of students who are taking our accounting courses, and which also lead to credentials. Reach out to our transition specialist or a Moraine Park recruiter. If you're interested in the Start College Now courses, then you are able to take those courses here or online through Moraine Park, and a Moraine Park faculty will teach those through an academy. One other aspect is if you don't really know where to start, reach out to us at K12 at morainepark.edu.